Do a little room tour for y'all. Alright. So we got a nice tub right here. Bathroom. Hold on. So you gotta put the light. Oh, let's say turn the light on. Yeah. Alright, so come over here. Nice little oh, okay. Little side little room. Okay, they brought the bags in for us. Appreciate that. Little mini bottle of Pringles. Hold on. Jose Cuervo. But it's reposado though, so you know. Guess that's cool. Room. Little Elite Club, little, you know what I'm saying? Little message for us. TV. Oh! Bienvenido, little champagne. Oh, Dom Perrier. Alright, let's go outside. Let's check the view. Hold on. On this side. Oh, shit. What going on, Cancun? Yeah. Top floor.